But you have such a great track record as a public servant here in Cardiff, leader of the council in the past, councillor, super active. How does it feel this election?
It feels like it's a very good election. It's very positive. I'm definitely feeling I'm getting a lot of recognition when I'm out on the doorsteps because I have worked very hard in this area over a number of years. And I think there was definitely a mood for change. And I think there are a lot of people who think that the Liberal Democrats will be part of that change.
Isn't it interesting that wherever you are across this huge constituency, if you vote Liberal Democrat, your vote will actually count this time?
Absolutely. That's the beauty of the new electoral system we have. It's a fully proportional system. So people know that they can vote for us and they will get Liberal Democrats representing them.
Yeah. And we showed that in the past. And I guess the issues, are they around the health service at all?
Yes, health is a big issue. I mean, it's a struggle sometimes to get a GP appointment here. It's difficult to find an NHS dentist. And one of our big local campaigns that we've had has been about the state of our local hospital, the Heath Hospital, because it's really in a very poor state. And we're hearing all the time stories about things like operations having to be cancelled because the operating theatres are out of action because the ventilation systems have broken down. And it's really something that Labour have just not addressed. They've been in charge of health for 27 years in the Welsh Government, and our hospital is literally falling apart.
And the message that I've heard from Welsh Liberal Democrats is the importance of social care and family carers. Is that coming across the doorstep too?
Absolutely. And I think people really resonate with our message. We're the only party saying it at this election, which is that we want to invest in social care to help relieve some of the pressure on the health service. Because we've got, I think, on any one day, we'll have about 1,400 people in Welsh hospitals who are medically fit, able to be discharged, but they don't have anywhere to go to. And that's because of the lack of investment in social care. If we can address that crisis in social care, we can make sure these people have somewhere to go, but we can also free up capacity and get more people into our hospitals who are desperate for treatment.
So you want to talk about the NHS, you mean super care. I absolutely get that. But the other issue I'm finding, I'd be interested to know if it's the case in Cardiff, is cost of living.
Yeah.
People are struggling. And now, thanks to Trump's idiotic war in Iran, supported by the tourism reform, let's not forget, we're actually seeing petrol prices, diesel prices go through the roof. And so we've the only party actually with a proper cost of package to cut fuel duty by 10p and also get bus fares down and rail fares down. Is that coming across?
Yes, absolutely. It's a big issue. It comes up an awful lot on the doorsteps. I think people are really worried now about what's going to happen as the fuel prices are rising and how that's going to filter through into higher prices in the shops. Because we feel we've had shock after shock to the economy in recent years, and we just, some families are really sort of struggling as it is at the moment. If things get worse again, that will be the thing that will just sort of, take them over the edge.
Yeah. Well, I hope you'll realise that we've been the party most strongly standing up to Donald Trump.
Yeah.
Not just his war, but his awful policies. And my message has been, don't let Donald Trump's America become Nigel Farage's Britain. If Farage and Reform get seats in Wales, get strong Wales, I think that will damage the country.
Absolutely. And I think Farage has eyed Wales as a prize that he could grab. But I think there is a big recognition, and certainly when I talk to people on the doorsteps, people are very firm that they do not want that coming to Wales. They don't want us to be a test bed for Reform's crazy policies and a springboard for them potentially getting into government at UK level. So there is a lot of people out there who are looking for how we can stop Reform, and they recognise that the Liberal Democrats can definitely play a role in stopping Reform from getting real bold here.
Because of the PR system, but vote for Liberal Democrats stops Reform?
Yeah, and they also recognise in this constituency that we traditionally have been the strongest party under Labour. And I think that's why people recognise that a Liberal Democrat vote is very much well worth it in this area and can really help to keep Reform at bay.
Rodney, I think you could do it this time, and it'd be fantastic if you were a member of the Senedd. That'd be great for the people of Cardiff.
Thank you. I hope so too.
Thank you very much.
All the best.